Alright, I just filmed those. Now we're going to film the internal elevators. The elevators that people don't ride because they like using those better. It's going to be this one. I find it interesting that they installed those glass elevators. We're gonna get off at 2. They reopened for whatever reason, we don't know why. And there are those kind of elevators that you would probably see in the UK or in Europe. And that's it.